Have you ever spent money on cookware that promises everything, only to end up with food sticking everywhere, uneven cooking, and handles that get way too hot to touch? If you're tired of replacing pans every few years and want something that feels genuinely versatile, this cookware set might be worth a closer look. Today we're reviewing the Carote 19-piece Stainless Steel Cookware Set with detachable handles. This set is designed for home cooks, apartment dwellers, RV owners, campers, and anyone looking for cookware that can move seamlessly between the stovetop, oven, dining table, and storage cabinet. It combines the durability of stainless steel with a removable handle system that's meant to make everyday cooking easier and more space efficient. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing that stands out is the overall design. Instead of looking overly industrial like some stainless steel cookware sets, this one has a clean, modern appearance with attractive wood grain accents that help it feel a little more premium. The stainless steel construction feels solid in the hand without being excessively heavy. One of the most practical details is the detachable handle system. At first, it might sound like a gimmick, but after using it, the convenience becomes obvious. Removing the handle makes the cookware easier to store, easier to stack, and much more convenient when transferring dishes from the stovetop directly into the oven. Build quality is another area where this set makes a strong first impression. The tri-ply stainless steel construction gives the cookware a sturdy, durable feel. Nothing feels thin or flimsy, and the overall fit and finish are surprisingly good for this price category. Stainless steel also has a reputation for lasting years when properly maintained, making this feel more like a long-term kitchen investment rather than a temporary upgrade. When it comes to actual cooking performance, this is where the Carote set earns most of its points. Heat distribution is consistent, which means fewer hot spots and more predictable cooking results. Whether you're browning chicken, searing steak, sautéing vegetables, or simmering sauces, the cookware responds well to temperature adjustments. The stainless steel surface is especially good for achieving that rich golden brown crust that many non-stick pans struggle to create. One thing worth mentioning is that stainless steel requires a slightly different cooking technique than traditional non-stick cookware. If you simply throw food into a cold pan, sticking can happen. But once you follow the recommended preheating process and add oil at the right temperature, food releases much more naturally than many people expect. After a few cooking sessions, the learning curve becomes pretty manageable. In daily use, the removable handles quickly become one of the biggest advantages. They stay cooler during cooking, make serving easier, and dramatically reduce storage clutter. For smaller kitchens, RV setups, or anyone with limited cabinet space, this feature alone can make a noticeable difference. Cleanup is also straightforward since the cookware is dishwasher safe, though hand washing will usually help preserve its appearance longer. Of course, no product is perfect. The biggest drawback is that beginners who are used to non-stick cookware may need a little time to adapt to stainless steel cooking techniques. There's also the extra step of preheating the cookware properly before cooking. However, those minor adjustments are fairly common with stainless steel cookware and aren't unique to this set. Compared to similar cookware systems in this price range, Carote does a good job balancing versatility, durability, and storage convenience. Many competing stainless steel sets offer strong cooking performance but lack removable handles. Others provide detachable handles but rely on coated surfaces that eventually wear out. This set manages to combine both flexibility and long-term durability in a way that stands out. Overall, the Carote 19-piece stainless steel cookware set is a smart choice for people who want healthier coating-free cooking, efficient storage, and cookware that can handle everyday meals as well as more ambitious recipes. If those are your priorities, this set deserves a place on your shortlist. If you'd like to check current pricing or availability, you'll find the link in the description below. And if this review helped you make a decision, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.